That's one. Introduction to the Didactics of Mathematics. Answers. 1. How can you make this approach to mathematics learning? We can rate an approach in them by carrying out simple activities so that they enter to context as well as motivate them to solve situation or problems in which two students can give answers without him playing in this correct or incorrect given the case. To ask the classmate if he gave them the same answers in order to talk about whether they did the process well. Two, what you must know about the before you do a class. 1. Realize the dozen of options that made the exit well solving an exercise. 2. Have a good knowledge of the topics to be explained and the dozen of questions that may arise from the students. 3. Be open to change size may students will now understand in one way. That is why there must be more ways to explain and also to understand what is being applied at the time of the class. 4. Not take into account the errors of students, but we must focus on their understanding very well the subject that the teacher wants to understand in class. 3. What are some ways to learn mathematics as a teacher? 1. Ask questions where the students participate and give their point of view depending on the problem on the exercise biased. 2. Know talk about when you can't do the exercise planning, the step to follow so that give the results you are looking for. 3. Do not look the answers, but the ways they see that the students can give when solving the given exercise. 4. Focus on the different results that the problem raises in class can give. And 5. Adapt to them, helping them to understand in different ways how to understand mathematics in a more practical way. 4. Give other examples about teachers' mistakes where the students are wrong. 1. Not being able to make the exercise understood. 2. Not the understanding what the students to understand according to what the teacher explained. 3. Motivation, the one who made the correct answers and not explain correctly how the exercise should be done, continue with the others. 3. 4. Do not focus on the only students who easily understand what is explained to them, but also help them understand what is difficult for them. 5. According to your opinion of view, what do you consider is essential the mathematics learning process, given the point of view that the video gives as the context in which for the data that things can happen present. It could be say that learning process of mathematics fundamental science it give an advance of the process or the tips to follow to solve a, a problem to situation showing the different solution that the applied exercise give science. This is how the success of a mathematics class is formed. Thank you.